Kijk. Sorry.
Hij is niet afgegaan.
Hij is niet afgegaan ook inderdaad.
Nee, ik kon er het mooi zachte bij maken.
Hey, what's up you guys? Today's video is going to be a little different than usual. We're taking a look at two different CQB experiences, kill houses and realistic CQB environments. We're going to look at some side-by-side footage to compare the two. Let me know what type of field you prefer. Stick around to the end of the video to make sure you don't miss anything.
Double kill.
This map is made out of several connected sheds that each contain realistic props. This makes the field dynamic and gives loads of room to improvise.
Dezelfde guy is het weer aan het proberen. Hij probeert hier naar voren te sluipen. Ja, ik kan het goed er eentje aan.
The cool thing with realistic fields is that you have different types of cover. Some are large enough to stand behind. For others, you have to kneel to take cover.
Double kill. Triple kill. Multi-kill.
Oh, hij is weer teleurgesteld.
Kill houses generally have a lot of angles to work with, almost impossible to cover every single one of them on your own. You'll do a lot better with a buddy or squad.
Oké, reaching. Waar was die op je...
Because of the extremely short ranges, you only need 1 or 2 shots most of the time.
Oké, Gijs, kom maar. Heb je hem? Ik hoorde wel iemand fietsen. Gijs, ja, dan laten we 6 inrennen. Okay. Sorry man.
Switch to your left shoulder to minimize your silhouette around a corner.
Clear.
Never forget that your feet are easy targets as well. Always cover for your buddy.
Die zat er van mij al 2 keer in voordat hij überhaupt door had.
And trust your buddy will cover for you too.
Ja, tracers zijn top. Oké, hou jij, wacht goed. Hou jij dus nu die doorgang in de gaten en dan focus ik mijn aandacht daar.
So, what did you think? What field type is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, why not try another one? There are 2 suggestions right there on your screen. All you have to do is click. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.